RV for the first time. Check it out. Since the bugs don't stick, it's easy to wash. It comes right off. I don't see any bugs. You didn't struggle with mini? Yeah. Actually, right here, there's a little bug too right here. Right here. On the side.
Yeah?
Yeah. I don't know. Alright. There you have it. It was that easy. No, we gotta get the wheel. Alright, let us know if you missed a spot. You might have missed a spot. We bought this wand at Lowe's. It works really well. It has like 8 different settings on it. AutoZone has a great deal on accessories. So we got the bucket. Got a mitt sponge. Got a little bucket grate thing that goes at the bottom. We got the shampoo to wash RV with. Some interior detail spray. And a tire hot spray to make the tires look wet. And some drying towels. All for like 25 bucks at AutoZone. Great deal. Great deal. But that brush Will has, yeah, that's horrible. We're definitely taking that back. And that was like a Pro Light 2-in-1, and it sucks. I'm not gonna even lie. Taking that puppy back. Need some more,
Yeah.
I need a rinse this side. Okay, give me a second. Get my area real quick here. Over here you missed a spot.
Well, I'm sure I missed a bunch of spots. Okay, where?
Come back on to my side. And right above here. Up there.
Well, now that you're all practiced on that one, you can come over and do this one.
I'll do yours next. I don't mind.
No problem.
You're working entirely too hard.
Well, we got.
You're not supposed to do that. You're supposed to call the Santiago guy.
Oh yeah, that's what I see everybody go. He wants $80.
Yeah.
I'm gonna do it for like 25.
Okay, all right. You're hired.
Okay.
Okay.
That's right. Did I get it, Ben?
Yep, you got it. Yeah, that's what everybody is using. I got his business card.
What's his name?
Santiago.
Oh, really?
They do they watch the Rving. And he want $80. And I was like, he saved us a ton of money. That'll be like a splurge. Okay, so, let me rinse this area. Need to take a break? Not a problem. I just think I need something that's more steadier. Like I said, it makes me feel like I'm actually clean.
What?
Huh?
What?
Suds?
Oh,
I said I feel like I need more suds.
okay.
Because I feel like I'm not getting clean, you know? So, suds. Okay. I did this whole slide. You do that.
What's that?
Like looking at the texture, I was like, is this scratches? No. Alright. Let's see what else. Alright, let me rinse this off. I think we need more soap. Pour some on the bristles and then
Pour some in the bristles?
pour some more in the water.
Okay.
It's like it's set. Steady.
Tell me when.
Okay, I think that's good enough. You ready to take over? Hopefully I might get enough butt crack. This is the soap that we're using on the RV. I didn't mention. This alone by itself is 20 bucks. So the bucket is only 25. So basically you get a great deal with all the towels and all the extra sprays. Great deal. I'll get the bucket. So let us know how you wash your RV. If you pay somebody to get it done, do it yourself, or just let it stay dirty. Whichever way you do. Let us know down in the comments what you do. Also, what type of products you use, what you think is best. Something we're trying to find is something that is like a dry, spot-free type of wash. So let us know. Also, our RV sticker video coming soon is going on the back of that. So I'm going to show you where. We're going to place the RV sticker right there. Right there. And shout out to Mile High Camper. He's the one that did our sticker for us, and he's the best. Check him out. I'll leave a link down below for his video down below. So if you need an RV sticker or you need something for your RV, check him out. Hey, that's what you do out of business. Watching RV. It feels good. At least you can't go to the pool and get a wet bath outside.
Are we gonna put the sticker out? Once that's done, you know, the What?
All done.
Oh, cool.
All done. That was easy. Let us know how we did. Don't forget, like, subscribe, and follow us on YouTube. Live the good life.
Living the dream.
Bye. Please like and subscribe and follow us on YouTube. Live the good life.
And living the dream.